Hey guys, welcome to another video. I got home today and got my first bunch of callaloo, cucumbers, peppers, potatoes, and peach. Also over here, I got some berries. I'm gonna take you for a little tour in the garden just to give you an update of what's going on because I haven't given you one in a minute. So stay tuned. Update. The fig tree. Got some figs on there. The big long cucumbers that you guys see, this is where I got it from. This one is grown in between, so I don't know how it's gonna come. I guess I'm gonna have to break the mesh. Got more coming up down there on the bottom. June plum trees blossoming again. Still got those two on there. The ginger is coming up very nice. The pimento tree is springing up again real good. As usual, I keep looking at the pine to see if anything's coming out. I'm watching it. The hot plum tree is sprouting very, very nice. I was hoping to see if I see anything because if you remember, it's grafted. That's where they grafted from. Mango trees, they're looking good. They're growing. Starting to fall over. Apple trees starting to get some new sprout. This way I got the purple potato from that you see in the beginning. Right here, the papaya tree, they're not doing too good, but on this part, the papaya tree is doing very well. I got peas. Plant red peas. All up and down this area. Remember I told you I picked the Swiss chard. Look how it spring back up nice. I picked some cucumbers from here already. Rosemary tree. This is the second year, it's coming up real nice. There we go. The jalapeno peppers. Trying to give you a good shot. Jalapeno peppers, they're coming up real nice. I got some more in the back over there. I picked from this one. This is the red sweet pepper. I got cayenne peppers coming. If you guys know bird pepper from Jamaica, we call it bird pepper. Alright. This is the peach tree. When I got home, all them peaches, I had to take them off. If you see them over there, I had to take them down because bugs was on them. This is more cayenne pepper blossoming. I cut some callaloo from here, and these are red peas in the corner over here. I picked some tomatoes last week before I leave out. I got them coming all over. Over here, as you can see, I need to weed this out. This is my pepper garden, hot pepper, all different kinds of pepper from all over the world. These are the peppers over here that I said they were in the store and they were dying, so I tried to save them. They're coming on pretty good. Like I got Carolina Reaper, Chocolate Reaper, Trinidadian Scorpion Pepper. Ooh, we got Scotch Bonnet Pepper. A nice little variety over here of peppers. And ghost peppers. I have more cucumbers. With the cucumbers, I just like to peel them, sprinkle a little salt, black pepper, and eat. These are callaloo over here coming up. And like I said, I got red peas all over this place here. All over it. All back there. All red peas. If you guys need callaloo suckers, just link me up. I got plenty of callaloo suckers here. Plenty. This right here, I got to get in there, and this is supposed to be buck chow. We call it pop chow. So I gotta get in there and starting to separate them. Papaya tree. These supposed to be miniature papaya tree. They're coming along pretty good in here. This is the grapes and berries. Matter of fact, I see one right now. I got chocha growing off of this. Also, they call it chayote. Because we know it as chocha. I have another one in here, over here. This is the leaf, the chocha leaf. The sorrel, they're doing real good, but the the corn, I have cantaloupes, and I have pumpkin, and I also have watermelon. It take over, and it's killing off my the corn. It take over. Over there is the sorrel. See? It's killing them off. But I'm gonna leave them. I want to see what I can get off of them. This is the watermelon over here, all in there. I cut some also cut some callaloo from here today. This is the gungo peas. See how tall them is? Those are callaloo I cut today. Gungo peas. Gungo peas known as pigeon peas, aka if you go in the store, they're gonna say gandules. So you have gungo peas, pigeon peas, and gandules. That's all three names for one peas. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Jackfruit trees getting tall. This is the pear tree. Getting tall. Aloe is springing up another one. Soursop. The mango trees, they coming along real good. See, the mango trees, they springing up new buds and everything. So the bottom part, they're drying up. Banana trees looking alright. And I keep stressing people, the pear tree and the jackfruit tree, yes, I have the pots. I got to take them out, those little pots, and put them in those big pots over here. I have another big pot like that one, because this one is too small. It's just the time. I might do it tomorrow. So, just giving you an update. And I'm going to keep giving you guys update. Catch you guys on the next update of the garden. But in the meantime, and between time, you know I'm gonna come with some other videos. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you guys. Love and respect. Until the next one.